Look at your hand for a second. Now imagine a tiny insect living inside your skin. No pain at first, no itching. But slowly, your hand starts swelling, black dots appear, and infection spreads. This isn't a horror story. This is what happens when jiggers invade your hands, and most people don't even notice until it's almost too late. So, what exactly are jiggers? Jiggers are caused by a tiny parasitic sand flea called Tunga penetrans. Once this flea finds a way into your skin, it's not leaving anytime soon. It burrows deeper, swells up, and even lays eggs, right inside your body. Most people think jiggers only attack your feet, but hands are becoming a new target, especially in rural areas or places with poor hygiene. Here's where people mess up. They miss the early signs. So, what should you watch for? Look out for a small black dot in your skin, some mild swelling around your fingers or palm, a bit of redness, maybe a feeling like something's stuck under the skin. No fever, no pain. That's exactly why jiggers can hide out for weeks before anyone notices. But what happens if you ignore it? Bad news. The flea gets bigger, starts releasing eggs and bacteria. It's a recipe for disaster. You could end up with pus-filled wounds, nail deformities, serious infections, and even tetanus. In extreme cases, we're talking about gangrene, and sometimes amputation. Yes, that really happens. So, how do jiggers get into your hands in the first place? It usually starts with touching soil or sand with your bare hands, contact with infected animals, poor sanitation, or even just having cracked skin. If you're a kid, someone who works with their hands, or you live in a tropical area, you're at higher risk. Now, let's talk about treatment. Never try to remove a jigger at home with pins or blades. That's an infection waiting to happen. The only safe way is to get professional help. Doctors will use sterile tools, give antibiotics to prevent infection, make sure your tetanus shot is up to date, and take care of the wound so you heal properly. Early treatment, full recovery. Late treatment, serious complications. Prevention is your best friend. Wear gloves when handling soil. Keep your skin moisturized. Cracks are open doors for parasites. Stay clean and treat your pets for fleas too. Seriously, prevention is so much easier than treatment. If you ever spot a black dot and swelling on your hand, don't ignore it. Don't experiment. Go see a doctor, because sometimes the tiniest parasite can cause the biggest damage. If you learned something today, hit like, share, and subscribe for more medical truths you won't hear anywhere else. Remember, your health awareness could save lives.